honorable judges, teachers, fellow students, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to tell you a story entitled The Scorpion and the Frog. One day, a scorpion wanted to go sightseeing. It reached a riverbank and wanted to get across to the other side.
How am I going to cross the river? Oh no, I can't swim,
sighed the scorpion. At that point, it spotted a frog that was about to swim across the river.
Hey, Mr. Frog,
cried the scorpion.
Please help me. I need to get across the river.
Can you let me ride on your back? Well now, Mr. Scorpion, I love to help, but what if you sting me when you are on my back? Asked the frog hesitantly.
Of course I won't sting you. If I kill you, then I'll drown too,
replied the scorpion. After thinking for some time, the frog finally agreed. So he let the scorpion jump onto his back and set off swimming across the river. Halfway across the river, the frog suddenly felt a sharp sting on his back. He realized that the scorpion had stung him.
Oh, you fool!
Croaked the frog.
Now we both died. Why on earth did you do that? I'm sorry. I can't help myself. It is my nature.
As the old saying goes, old habits are sometimes too hard to break. Thank you.